So we're in mining and engineering, multiple commodity. We build mines for clients, engineering works, studies, execution, you name it. I'm part of our global excellence team, basically assisting with rolling out different systems and processes across all our global offices. Keeping up with the vast amounts of clients, different processes through those clients, different requirements. I think projects can often be constrained financially or time-wise. So I think just managing those sort of expectations and also the countries that you work in vary. So each country will bring its own sort of dynamic to how that would work. So some of the improvements we've seen in our space is because InEight's been able to touch so many different aspects of our businesses. It's allowed us the opportunity to look at all of our processes, which has really given us a huge benefit. In comparison to a bit of our smarty box approach in terms of systems, where we had multiple systems running multiple spaces, by having the multiple modules but in one place, we really had to govern ourselves a bit better, understand our data structures. We've now found more effective and efficient ways to perhaps do things through workflows, through workshare. What we've also done is with each enhancement, we're able to just, add a little bit more polish to that stone sort of thing. And I think that's where the overall benefit has actually been. If you're looking for a listening ear, if you're looking to partnership with a really strong company that actually listens to you, right? So you feel like you're actually in one team, even though it's DRA and InEight, then I would say InEight, your guy, your girl, your place, because that's what we felt. So we have felt we're actually in a partnership with a company which we can speak to, which we can explain our needs, which actually listens and answers your calls, replies to emails, which is fantastic, and that you can grow with. So I think the opportunity to find a partner you can work with would be why I'd tell anyone else InEight's probably the right one.